we're going to do is show you how to put videos in your post on Trifive forums. First, click on Internet Explorer, go to YouTube. Let's just type that address, youtube.com. You'll need to find the video you want to put in it. So I'm going to just do a search for 57 Chevy. Find me a 57 Chevy video. Okay, let's just select this one. You click on the video on YouTube and start it playing. If you'll notice up at the top, let's cut the sound off on that, but if you notice at the top, once that video starts playing, you'll see the link. See youtube.com watch $V equals. That little equals sign there, what you need to copy is anything after the equal sign. So I just highlighted that and right click and select copy. That's that video. Remember that little anything after equal sign. So now I'm going to go back to Trifive.com and I'm going to select chit chat videos from YouTube, or you can put it anywhere on the forum now, because I'll put a new thread and I'll call it test video. Now anywhere on the forum I have this feature now, so I'll just put test video. Now anywhere you want to insert the video, you just click this little green box to the right and you'll see the cursor blinking in between the two video tags. So right click there and click paste. Remember, that's the little number after the equal sign. And I can put there signed Otis, and then you click the submit button, and that'll pull the video from YouTube and put it right directly in that link. You see there? Watch. That way people can play it right on. So thank you, and this has been Otis, and you guys have a nice day. Tell your friends about Trifive, please.